In this video, I'm going to be going over the SiteGround plans so you know which SiteGround plan to choose based on your needs. I'll be going over the SiteGround StartUp versus SiteGround GrowBig versus SiteGround GoGeek plan. I'm going to be comparing the three plans in depth, going over all the features, what each of the plans come with, the pricing, the difference between the three plans, and which plan I recommend you choose based on what you will need. By the end of this video, you will know which of these three SiteGround web hosting plans to choose: the SiteGround StartUp, SiteGround GrowBig, or SiteGround GoGeek plan. I'll also be providing you with a SiteGround discount so you can save some money on your SiteGround web hosting purchase. You will get up to 80% off SiteGround hosting. To take advantage of the SiteGround discount, just click the link in the description below. A little disclosure: the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Let's get started with the SiteGround StartUp versus GrowBig versus GoGeek plans comparison, so you know which SiteGround plan to choose. I'm here on the SiteGround plans page. You'll see the SiteGround StartUp, SiteGround GrowBig, and SiteGround GoGeek plan. All three SiteGround hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and 24/7 support. The StartUp plan you can get for as low as $2.99 a month and comes with one website, 10 gigabytes of web space, and 10,000 visits monthly. Some key features the StartUp plan comes with is a free CDN included, free enhanced security, daily backups, free email, out-of-the-box caching, and a free SSL certificate. The GrowBig plan you can get for as low as $4.99 a month and comes with unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of web space, and 40,000 visits monthly. Some key features the GrowBig plan comes with is a free CDN included, free enhanced security, daily backups, free email, out-of-the-box caching, and a free SSL certificate. Some extra features the GrowBig plan comes with is on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and one-click staging for WordPress sites. The GoGeek plan you can get for as low as $7.99 a month and comes with unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes of web space, and 100,000 visits monthly. The GoGeek plan comes with everything the GrowBig plan comes with, such as a free CDN included, free enhanced security, daily backups, free email, out-of-the-box caching, and a free SSL certificate. Some extra features the GoGeek plan comes with is staging plus Git, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. Now let's dive deeper and cover additional features and the differences of the features for the SiteGround StartUp, SiteGround GrowBig, and SiteGround GoGeek plan. The first difference is the StartUp plan comes with one website, whereas the GrowBig plan and GoGeek plan comes with unlimited websites. The second difference is the StartUp plan comes with 10 gigabytes of web space, whereas the GrowBig plan comes with 20 gigabytes of web space, whereas the GoGeek plan comes with 40 gigabytes of web space. The third difference is with the StartUp plan, you'll get 10,000 website visits per month, whereas the GrowBig plan you'll get 100,000 website visits per month, whereas the GoGeek plan you'll get 400,000 website visits per month. The fourth difference is with the GrowBig plan, you'll get staging, but with the GoGeek plan, you'll get staging plus Git. The StartUp plan doesn't include either staging or staging plus Git. The fifth difference is with the GoGeek plan, you'll get white label clients, whereas with the GrowBig plan and StartUp plan, you won't get this feature. White label clients will give your clients access to the SiteGround site tools as users, but the SiteGround logo isn't displayed anywhere. The sixth difference is with the GoGeek plan, you'll get free private DNS, whereas with the GrowBig plan and StartUp plan, you won't receive free private DNS. Private DNS will give you control over your name servers, so you can have it as the name of your domain name. The seventh difference is with the GoGeek plan, you'll get the highest tier of resources, whereas with the GrowBig plan and StartUp plan, you won't receive this feature. The GoGeek plan allows you to use more server resources than any of the other SiteGround shared hosting plans. The eighth difference is with the GoGeek plan, you'll get priority support, whereas with the GrowBig plan and StartUp plan, you won't receive this feature. Priority support will connect you with the most experienced SiteGround reps to help you troubleshoot your problem faster with great quality. All three SiteGround plans, the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plans, are great plans to choose for your SiteGround hosting needs. The Startup plan is a good plan if you're only going to have one website and have 10,000 visits to your website per month or less. The GrowBig plan is a great plan if you want to have multiple sites, won't have more than 100,000 website visits per month, and want to take advantage of the extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and staging. The GoGeek plan is a great plan if you have a higher traffic site up to 400,000 website visits per month and want to take advantage of more server resources, a private DNS, access to the most experienced SiteGround support reps, or if you offer white label hosting. You'll also receive on-demand backup copies and 30% faster PHP like the GrowBig plan. Another cool thing about SiteGround and their plans is you can always upgrade plans if you need to. If you outgrow a plan or want to take advantage of more features on one of the other plans, their support team can assist you in completing the upgrade. I've now covered, explained, and compared the SiteGround plans Startup versus GrowBig versus GoGeek plan, so you can have a better understanding of which SiteGround hosting plan to choose based on your needs. I hope you enjoyed this SiteGround plans comparison. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.